Is Volkswagen truly considering a comeback for its most audacious creation, the Volkswagen Harlequin models, or is this merely a playful tease? The original Volkswagen Harlequin editions, particularly the Polo and Golf models from the mid-90s, were a bold experiment in automotive color theory. These vehicles, assembled from parts in 4 different primary colors, weren't just cars. They were moving mosaics, pieces of art that challenged the monotony of the car landscape. The Harlequins were initially introduced as a marketing strategy, a way to showcase the build quality and precision of Volkswagen cars. By using interchangeable parts in different colors, Volkswagen highlighted the uniformity and interchangeability of its manufacturing process. However, what started as a marketing gimmick quickly gained a cult following, with the Harlequin editions becoming symbols of uniqueness and individuality among car enthusiasts. Recent whispers in the automotive community suggest that Volkswagen is contemplating bringing back the Harlequin pattern, albeit in a modern context. These rumors gained traction after Volkswagen released teaser images and cryptic messages hinting at a colorful future. But is there substance behind the speculation, or is Volkswagen merely engaging with its audience in a nostalgic nod to its past? On one hand, the return of the Harlequin models could be seen as a bold move towards reintroducing fun and vibrancy into a market that often leans towards conservatism in color choice. It could also serve as a statement against the sea of monochrome cars that dominate the roads, reiterating Volkswagen's reputation as a brand that dares to be different. On the other hand, the feasibility of resurrecting the Harlequin models poses several questions. Modern automotive manufacturing and sales strategies are significantly different from those of the 90s. The demand for customization and personalization is higher than ever, but the logistics of producing a Harlequin model in today's market could be challenging. There's also the consideration of whether today's car buyers, with their varied tastes and preferences, would embrace such a distinctive design. If Volkswagen is serious about bringing back the Harlequin, it could leverage modern technology to address these challenges. Advances in manufacturing could make it easier to produce small batches of customized vehicles, and digital platforms could allow customers to design their Harlequin models online, choosing their preferred color combinations and patterns. While it remains to be seen, the discussion itself highlights a broader desire for more color and creativity in the automotive world. Whether or not we see a new generation of Harlequin Volkswagens, the conversation around them serves as a reminder of the joy and personality cars can bring into our lives, beyond mere transportation.